Welcome to the assembly video of TESWAY walker. First, cut open the shipping straps and then proceed to open the box. Take out the accessory box and the e-bike. Proceed to remove the wrappings protecting the bike. Let's open that small box to see what's inside. Inside the box, you'll find the pedals, a handbook, a bag of tools, quick-release skewer, handlebar mount, and a charger. Now let's install the handlebar. Remove the protector and packaging with the hex key. Attach the handlebar mount to the frame and fix it in place by tightening the screw. Next, it's the time to install the handlebar itself. Open the screws first. Center the handlebar using the mark, then tighten the screws. Now let's install the front wheel. Take the hub axle off and then remove the protectors from the front wheel. Gently pick up the bike and lower the front fork onto the front wheel, aligning the brake disc to the pads. Then insert the hub axle skewer back and tighten it up a bit before closing the clamp. Make sure the clamp points up. Next, install the fender and headlight. Install the fender and headlight using the same screw. Tighten the screw to fix fender and headlight in place. The fender needs to be attached by using the screws at the bottom of the fork as well. Now let's install the pedals. Install each pedal on the correct side as marked on the pedals. Carefully thread in the pedal by hand, turning towards the front of the bike. Use a wrench to tighten the pedals. Now let's install the rear rack. The rear rack is secured to the frame using these screws. Tighten the screws. Next, it's the time to install the seat post. Proceed to install the seat post first. Open the clamp. The seat post has a scale that helps you set it to your desired height. Insert the seat post into the tube, then tighten it up. Finally, let's adjust the handlebar and tighten the screws again until secured. Align the handlebar. Keep the wheels between your legs to make it easier. Adjust the position of handlebar and tighten it up. Complete assembly. Double check and make sure the seat post and handlebar are firmly installed. Press the power button to turn on the LCD display. Press the plus button for TESWAY to turn on or off the headlight. Press the button to turn on the e-bike horn. You can press the plus-minus button to adjust the level of pedal assist from level 1 to 5, and then press the throttle. The motor gets power. Test the gear shift works and the rear wheel rotate freely. Loosen the screw to adjust the handlebar stem angle. And lock it in place. Charge the battery. The charging port is located on the left side of the battery. Take the key, use it to unlock the battery, and you can take the battery out of the e-bike frame. Install the battery back on the e-bike. That's it. Your TESWAY e-bike is ready to ride. Thanks for watching.